Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys doing great. My name is Firdaus Sahel. In this video with Affinity, I'm going to show you something useful, which is character panel with text tool. So how you can find the character panel? First, we need to click on this toolbar to get the artistic tool. Up here in this toolbar, we need to click right here, which is the character panel. And it is going to show the character panel from here. I can click to select a font size, font style, font color, background color, and as you can see, the language. I can change the optical alignment and also typography. So this is how we can find the character panel with Affinity with the text tool. So hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and learned, and if you have any question, please let me know in the comment box of this video. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and also subscribe to the channel. Take care and goodbye.